How's it going, guys? And welcome to how to generate an income online using Facebook ads. There's going to be probably 15 or 25 videos to this series. Each video might go from 2 minutes, might go to 10 minutes, but I'm going to show you exactly how I generate an income online using Facebook ads, from setting up a Facebook page to setting up a business manager to connecting the two, to setting up your first ad, how to split test, how to set up custom audiences, absolutely everything I do on a daily basis that allows me to generate an income online. So I've been doing this nearly 2 years full time now. And one of the ways I make an income online using Facebook ads is by running Facebook ads for other businesses. So someone who has an e-com store, or they've got a building business or a pest control business, they come to me because they need customers, and I get them customers using Facebook ads. So you can do this for other people, or you can do it for your own e-com store, or you can sell a product of your own, or whatever you want to do. I'm going to show you exactly what I do, and then you can go and do whatever you want with that. So in the description below, I'm going to leave a link to my mentor's masterclass. Now, he's the one that's taught me everything I know today. So if you're watching this and you want more information, you want to be able to generate an income online, I highly recommend you click that link and you sign up for his free masterclass today. Costs you nothing. Check it out, see what you think. If it resonates with you, then that's great. If it doesn't, then hey, that's fine too. So like I said, this is just a quick introduction. So this is the end of this video. Let's jump into video 1, where I'll show you how to set up the Facebook page.